everyone, we have a winner for our mini scenes goodie box giveaway, and that is Kathryn Seaman. Kathryn, keep an eye on your email over the next couple of days. I will be emailing you and asking for your postal address, of course. In the goodie box will be some of my moulds, some inlays. In fact, I might delay it a couple of days because I'm working on a brand new mould that's a crystal edge mould with a crystal hole in the centre. So you can have the prototype of that if you like. Anyway, it'll be a right good goodie box, hopefully. So I look forward to speaking to you, Kathryn, and I will get that to you as soon as I can get everything organised and together in that box. Thank you so much to all who entered. Yes, the answer was 327. All of my actual craft videos are numbered. It'll say either hashtag and a number, or I've more recently started putting like a /episode number, but they are all numbered now, which means that videos like this, my little chatty videos or shorts as well, or anything that isn't a full-on craft video, I don't number. So those who put 327, absolutely correct. Thank you for entering, everyone, and thank you for all of your ongoing support. I'll keep you posted on any future giveaways that I do, of course. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you for the next crafty video.